Welcome back to DreamStart Labs. In this video, I want to show you how to easily restore your Personal DreamSave account if it has been deleted within the last 30 days. Let's get started. Let's say that Olivia deleted her personal account 2 weeks ago to remove her financial records from the phone before giving it to her brother. But since Olivia recently bought her new phone, she would like to reactivate her Personal DreamSave account to continue monitoring her savings history in her DreamSave passbook. To do this, all Olivia needs to do is click on the Restore Deleted Account button at the bottom of the welcome screen. Here we are on the welcome screen. When we scroll down at the bottom, we'll see the words Restore Deleted Account here. So when we click on that, it opens up another page. And here we have to provide 4 pieces of information. Number 1, we need to indicate what type of account we want to restore. It's obvious we want to restore a personal account. So let's click on Personal Account. Secondly, we have to enter the Dream ID for Olivia, or the person we want to restore an account. Olivia's Dream ID is 471 331 and 531. And secondly, we have to provide the mobile phone number for Olivia. So let us put in Olivia's phone number. We will put it there. Olivia's phone number is 265 458 and 655. Very good. And lastly, we have to provide the passcode. Let's put in her passcode. And then let's click on Restore Deleted Account. We wait a bit. It says credentials seem incorrect. We try again, and that's true. The passcode is not correct. It has to be 111. So we try again. Restore Deleted Account. Very good. It shows that we have been successful. However, note, the account may not be restored immediately. So we'll have to wait for an SMS if it doesn't come immediately. An SMS will be sent, and then we can restore the account. So let's click Done now, because we have successfully requested to restore the account. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and the steps are easy to follow. So if you have any confusion, just reach out to your local customer success representative for more information. Thank you for watching.